Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll find out how to hide and unhide columns. So this is one of the very important step to clean your worksheet. Okay. So often, like after creating all our reports and creating a dashboard, we might want to clean up our space, and we do that by removing unwanted fields that we have. So one step among that is removing unwanted fields. So to hide or unhide fields, go to your data source here, and suppose if I want to unhide my order ready, click on that and click on hide. Now that field is hidden. So if I go to my worksheet, that field is not visible now. Suppose you want to find out, what are your hidden fields, then you can click on show hidden fields here, which will show what are the fields that are hidden. Now, if I go to my worksheet, it is grayed out. You see here, I can click on this and I can unhide from here, or I can do that from my data source pane. Also click on this and click on unhide. Two options we have. So now this is very simple options which is available at this level, and this is in the versions that are less than 2021.3. So in the latest version of Tableau, that is 2021.3, there is a little difference here. So if I go, this is Tableau 2021.3, which I have recently installed. I'm going to my data source. Now you see we got some new window here, which is giving the information about the tables. So same, assume like I want to perform the same action here. Earlier we did it at the preview layer, data preview layer, but here directly I'm clicking on this field and clicking on hide. Now that field is hidden. If at all we want to see that field again, click on the settings option here and show hidden fields. That field is available again here, and it is grayed out here. So you can click on this and you can unhide. But unlike earlier or previous version, there is no unhide option available on this option here. Okay. Same thing if I go to sheet here. From here you can do it, but not at this level. So here you have to take action with respect to your table name here. So whatever the table I select, that information will be available here. Okay. Hope you like my video. That's it from my side in this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.